All right, so I'm not really a feng shui guy. My mom actually really believes in feng shui and stuff like that, but desk placement is very important, and I'm really not feeling it here. I mean, it makes the most sense in terms of space, but like when I had my desk for recording purposes, like set up here and then next to my bed, for some reason it felt better. And now that I'm thinking about it, it's probably because of the light. The light here that shines in through this window is not hitting the desk there. So it kind of looks dark in that corner. It looks darker in reality than in the video. So I think I'm gonna move my desk back here to where my bed is, like right next to my bed, which is honestly a bit of an odd position, but it kind of feels better. And my piano, I haven't been practicing. I need to get back to it. Anyways, just wanted to make that quick video for some reason. I also feel the same about my desk back home in California. It's against a wall, and I really hate it when a desk is against the wall because I don't know, there's something about it just doesn't feel quite right. I think once I head back to California, I'm gonna move my desk to also like face open space. Somehow make it more efficient as well. But yeah, that's gonna be what I'm gonna do. So this is gonna go over there. All right, it's been moved, and this is the new setup. It's right next to my bed. Actually, in California, I also have like a nightstand right next to my bed right there. So it feels kind of, well, it's definitely not on the same level anymore, but it feels kind of familiar. And I usually get off of my bed like, like going to the bottom. So yeah, I like it like this. This feels better somehow. All right.